Hi, and thank you for your interest in purchasing one of our sets of quarter windows. Just wanted to show you what the cores are to what you see now as a finished product. This is hatchback set A. It's complete, just rough on the passenger side, not very rough on the driver's side. It's a 56,000 mile original set of glass. Car just sat out, and you'll see all of the flaws in it now that you see now are gone. But that's set A, hatchback. Encore A. Set B was actually a nice pair. As you'll see now, they're nearly a perfect pair, but they weren't that bad to start with. So if you're interested in set B, this is the original cores that were sent in. Encore B. So not a lot of aftermarket rubber. Here's notchback set C. These were pretty rough. There were some flaws in the glass you'll see today that hopefully are minimal in present day. This tab's already missing, but detail lines were originally intact. They were just restored. So that's Encore set C for the notchback, and set D had a little bit of original sheen to it, but again was a rough set with a good detail line. Encore set D. So not real bad to begin with, but now that they're restored, I wanted you to get a look at how much work had to be done to make them that way, just so you know what's underneath the restoration. Thank you for your interest, and hopefully soon your business.